before our start. Before you leave po later, may flyers po kami dyan sa NBC table. Kindly, take me one na lang po. Tara na sa Talapaga. Thank you very much.
Alright, maraming salamat po sa ating officer from the Municipality of Calabaga, Mamiel Bongbon. Again, may I invite po our Mananaitas group and as well as the speakers to have a photo opportunity with Mamiel here in front. And once again, iniimbitahan ko po lahat na nandito sa Robinson's Place natin na i-visit niyo po lahat ng exhibitors na nandito ngayon sa Bicol Travel Show. So they are from the travel agencies and tour operators. So if you are planning to book a vacation or gusto nyo i-discover pa kung gaano maganda ang Bicolandia, punta lang po kayo dito at bisitahin lahat ng travel agencies and tour operators na present sa ating Bicol Travel Show. And I'm sure lahat ng questions niyo po about sa inyong next tourist destination sa Bicol, masasagot nilang lahat. Ayan. Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po natin si Mamiel Bongbon for sharing with us the beauty of Calabanga. Students and to all the participants, palakpakan naman dyan. Ayan, definitely Calabanga is really a very beautiful place. And I think Naga City can also relate with Calabanga kasi wala tayong beautiful beaches. But of course, tourism is all about the people, the culture, and the heritage. Kaya kanina, discuss natin all about how exciting Bicol is. Shinare ng ating PTI representative Ulysses ng Pillars of Local Tourism. Nakilala natin yung kagandahan ng Calabanga. Ngayon, for our next speaker, malalaman naman natin, mag-share siya ng kanyang insights on how to organize impactful events. Dito na po tatagalin ko, may I call in from Executive Director of the Metro Naga Development Council, Sir Hubert Brocales. Let's give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Just maraming hapon po sa kabus. Pagpapagala po na sa mga pag-iba po muna na hapon. To the President of Naitas Bicol, Ma'am Kate Floriano, the President of the Bicol Association of Travel Agencies and Tour Operators, Ma'am Mars Alcante, of course, our dear friend, Sir Efren De Leon and Sir Mario Villanueva, President of Agriculture Foundation, and to all the officers of Mananaitas. As po sa mga bisita, mga estudyante, as in mga exhibitors this afternoon sa Satuyang Minimum Bicol Travel Show 2026, good afternoon. So before I formally introduce my talk, I'll invite everyone to the LED wall for a video presentation. Okay. Sige po. Pagka short kasi video, dahil sa nalaman ko ito. nabababa po siya sa dalawang bagay. First, itong mga activities or events or programs that FTC is doing, and si Kamala po sa peer discussion will talk about the different events that the City of Naga is doing. So, let me introduce first Metro Manila Development Council. Kasi bago po po nga ako, we mentioned in the mayor Lenny, and I'm happy that she also promoted through her Facebook page for you guys to visit the booth of Metro Manila Development Council. So, Metro Manila Development Council is an organization of 80 local government units. So, this is also Korean CU. 17 of those are coming from Camarines Sur, and may sarong po na haling sa Masbate. Sa sarong po 17, we have LGUs Bumbol, Bula, Calabanga, Calakman,